So my buddy Vinko is on his way here right now to pick us up out of Split, and we're gonna be heading west to one of his locations, and we're gonna be living like Croatians do in this beautiful country. We head to our first location, to a small local wine vineyard called Vuina. Sampling a bunch of wines at 9:30 in the morning is our type of trip to stock up for the weekend. Vuina Wine Cellar is a family winery in Kaštel, more than a century old. The winery is actually made up of all the members of the Vuina family, and this gives it a personal touch.
A bottle of wine contains more philosophy than all the books in the world.
We ended up buying 16 bottles. After saying our goodbyes, right across the street is one of the oldest olive trees in Croatia.
It's a tree.
Black moment of nature, olive tree.
The tree is what is the 1600.
Oh. 15. Yeah, I was wrong, sorry. This one is 15 and 1700 is one in, it's in the part of Croatia called Istria. It's the national park, Briuni. That one is older. She's 17 and this one is 15. And she still
Producing olive.
Yeah, she does. And olive oil.
So when does olive, like what is olive?
In 3 months, 4 months.
Hey, we're here at a local butcher shop. Our friend Vinko here is going to show us how to make the perfect Croatian dish with lamb and beef.
So right now we're in the local fish market, and Vinko is picking up some octopus and some the local fish, and he's going to show us how to make some of the Croatian dishes with the meat that Billie Jean earlier just talked about.
So similar to Split in that this is all kind of new comparative to the surrounding area, right?
Yeah.
A couple hundred years old versus like 2000.
Well, the cathedral itself, she's like 800 years old.
Oh, older than Split.
Yeah, but the thing is, it took them like from 12 to the end, almost the end of 15th century to finish it. But what's good about it, because she has all the styles from Romanesque to Renaissance.
After having a few drinks at the local cafe in Trogir, Vinko takes us around the city to do a little sightseeing. Trogir is rich in history with many things to see and explore.
So we're here in a local market and we're picking up some fruits and vegetables for tonight's festivities.
Having everything we need for the weekend, we head to Vinko's 3-story family home on the water in Sevid that is meters away from the Adriatic Sea.
The point of being, stressed out about anything.
There's never a point to being it, but the problem is I am often.
Yeah, but still, it took me more than 35 years to realize that. Jesus Christ.
I'm gonna die early.
Yeah. You have to quit your job.
I know.
I felt great when I quit my job. I really did.
8 years.
It's like I was healthier in my head. Like
I'm 8 this year. You'd be 7.
a burden fell off from everything.
If you didn't have enough fat in your diet like you do now.
There's good ships and wood ships and ships that sail the sea. But the best ships are friendships. and that's how it should always be. Do widzenia.